My name is Liddell Steiner. In the following videos, I'll be sharing important information about the safety, operations, maintenance, and delivery of our Tilmor 520 tractor. At Tilmor, we understand that purchasing a tractor is a significant investment. We do not take this responsibility lightly, and in fact, we have invested substantial time and resources to help ensure that the product we produce is built in Northeast Ohio with quality parts. The form and features of this equipment are designed to optimize the usable workspace for implements and tools, all the while helping to ensure that it is both ergonomic and safe for the operator. Support materials are readily available and include operator's manual, parts diagram, service procedures, and support resources. When you do have a problem or need to service your tractor, quality parts can easily be purchased directly from us. We will work with your current service provider or help you find a qualified service partner. If you have questions, our customer support group is here to help. We are committed to answering our phones, responding to emails and social media inquiries in a timely fashion. If you want to see our equipment, you are always welcome here in Ohio to visit us. Find us at a show or field day we are attending, or contact us about a farmer who may have a tractor near you. When purchasing a tractor, the payment and financing process is both convenient and secure. When we deliver a tractor, our goal is to provide clear communication so that you know what to expect. If at any time you have questions or concerns, please give us a call. We are committed not only to a great product, but offering our support for many years to come. Thank you.